Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about urinary incontinence and lack of muscular strength around the pelvic floor area. So in females that could mean stress incontinence, so when you laugh, you pee a little bit, when you do any kind of exercise involving the hip region, you may release a little bit of pee, and for males as well. Not necessarily due to laughter, but any kind of hip exercises, increased frequency, sometimes even difficulty in initiating pee. Also for men as well, you can also get pain on the tip of the penis, especially if you're maybe a little bit stressed in life, because your pelvic floor is over tense as well. And so in the next episode we're going to be talking about Kegel exercises, but in this one we're going to be talking about what is the pelvic floor and how to strengthen it. So all you need to do is take your finger and touch between, so if you're a man, between the testicles and your anus. If you're a female, at the bottom, between the bottom of your vagina and your anus, you have this area of skin, and that's called the perineum. And what I want you to do is flex the pelvic floor until you feel that area twitch. Okay, in order to try and get that area to twitch, it's as if you are trying to pee but stopping the flow. Or if you're female, if you've got a Tampax in the vagina, you're trying to squeeze the Tampax. What I would suggest you can also try and do is the same muscles which try and stop you from defecating, so twitching your sphincter as well. But it's all those muscles around that area you're trying to close off. Now some videos suggest you try and stop peeing when you're actually at the loo. I don't advise that at all, because that can actually encourage a little bit of incontinence and cause a disruption in how you're supposed to pee. So don't do that. But once you flex those muscles, you just need to hold them tight and see if you can hold them for 5 seconds. And then once you can hold it for 5 seconds, instead of breathing out and relax, I actually want you to breathe in and then relax. Okay, and that's how you clench, hold, and then release your pelvic floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze those muscles again. We're going to hold it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to relax as we breathe in. And that is how you do a very, very basic Kegel exercise. Now I'm going to do a video in the next episode, which is, if you like, Kegel with me, and we'll run through the whole entire series of ideally what you need to do. And this will strengthen the pelvic floor, and so for women this is very, very useful after childbirth. It's useful for men and women as you get older, because it helps reduce stress incontinence, and for men it can also help with a little bit of urinary reflux if you're over tensing your pelvic floor muscles. And so it should be done by all groups, especially as you get older. So I'll see you in the next episode where you can Kegel with me. Take care.